Ready to unlock the power of your Zoho CRM lead data by exporting it directly into a flexible Excel spreadsheet? First, navigate to the Leads module within your Zoho CRM account by clicking on the Leads tab in the main navigation menu. This will display a list of all your leads. Now, select the leads you want to export. You can individually check the boxes next to each lead, or if you want to export all leads on the current page, check the box at the top to select all entries. Next, look for the 3 dots More Actions icon, usually located near the top right corner of the leads list. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the drop-down menu, select Export. This will open a new window with various export options. In the Export window, under the Export to section, choose this page if you only want to export the leads currently displayed on the screen, or all leads to export every lead in your CRM. Then, under File Type, select Excel to export the data in XLS or XLSX format. You can also specify additional filter requirements, such as a time period. Finally, click the Export button. Zoho CRM will then generate an Excel file containing your selected lead data and prompt you to download it. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your leads from Zoho CRM to an Excel spreadsheet, ready for analysis, reporting, and offline access.